What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Start Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And thank you. We are at 16,000 Dividend Warriors strong in this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being amazing. So this week was pretty good for passive income. And I earned some pretty good money from MSTY and some of the YieldMax ETFs. So I'm going to reveal that to you. And I'm going to show you what it bought me. And then tomorrow, I'm going to explain to you why I sold some stocks. May rebuy them, but right now it's time to load up on MSTY. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out my passive income right now. So first, my total income, and that's kind of like what I'm expecting to get from my understanding, is $18,229.86 at the end of this year. I'm in paid income. I'm for this year, which is all reinvested in my dividend portfolio, $17,627.33. Pending income, $277.68. My estimated income is $324.85. My average monthly income is $1,519.15. So things are looking pretty good with this dividend portfolio. Once I start racking up like 30,000 or so, that's going to be really exciting. Can I get to 30,000 next year? That might be a possibility. Now look at 2024. So $18,229.86. 2023, I was at $6,387.09. So I didn't reach the $1,000 mark. So I really turbocharged my dividend portfolio, loaded it up, and I threw $500 in a week pretty much and added some. So right here, things are looking pretty good. I'll show you how much I've thrown in so far this year and last year and my previous years real quick. So you look at 2019, $510. 2020, $9,403. That was when I was in NP school taking classes, working 312s. Then in 2021, $1,513. Then in 2022, I started to travel nurse. So I wanted to level up and turbocharge my dividend portfolio. It was time to move on. And this travel nursing really helped out. So then in 2023, I threw $35,939.52. And in 2024, $35,499.18. So I'm almost at the mark where I was last year. Again, I throw in $350 a week, and just the turbocharging my dividend portfolio with the YieldMax ETFs has helped. So I'm going to show you my activity for this past week. We're going to start with December 16th. I received dividends with Coca-Cola, $317, Hershey Company, $507, Crescent Capital, $231, NextEra Energy, $495, McDonald's, $502, Wendy's, $17.23. And then we go to United Health Group. That needs to go up. I can tell you that. $310. And then the 18th, FSK, $15.72, $147, $150. 16, Jackson Financial, $37.17, Saratoga Investment Corp, $32.18 plus $15.22. And then we have YMAX, $14.42. XDTE gave me $35.23. QDTE gave me 64 cents plus 57.39. Okay. TSLX, 281. GLPI, 24.60. And then there's a little bit of a dividend deduction. Remember, I explained that with you with dividend deductions as well. So I made $560 minus $148. But MSTY, look at this, $234.24 plus $6. And SQY got me $21.60. RDTE got me $9.35. So again, I'm going to jump to MSTY because I really want to discuss them and how things are looking with MSTY. So right here, I'm at 77 shares. So I need to get up there a little bit. So as I discussed, and I'm going to jump to eTrade again, because a lot of you are new watching my YouTube channel. So I wanted to show you my income for MSTY and XDTE, QDTE, RDTE, but I want to show you how I'm going to be funding MSTY. So some of my income that I have with NVDY and CONY, that is probably going to go into MSTY. So I also thought about putting NVDY and CONY into Realty Income to get that going as well. So that's one opportunity. Again, my strategy changes all the time, and it adapts, it changes. You know, there's things that I have in mind and strategies I have in mind to really get my M1 Finance dividend portfolio and E-Trade dividend portfolio rolling. My estimated income is $9,051.72. I probably will add TSLY on here so that I can buy more TSLY on M1 Finance each month. So that income here will fund the income on there. Also, I'm looking at in 2025 to buy YMAG and YMAX on here. And I'm going to look closely at the other Defiance weekly ETFs. That's one thing I have in mind to add them on here. That way I can fund those on M1 Finance and re-add them. I haven't pulled the trigger on that. I'm deciding if I should do that, but I haven't made the call yet. I'm going to closely look at them because remember, they did a reverse stock split. But again, MSTY is a huge target right now for me to really build up. And CONY, obviously, I need more YieldMax funds to fund my dividend portfolio. That's going to be my long-term strategy to build my dividend portfolio. And again, yeah, I'll just show you just what's going on with M1 Finance. So I'm going to jump back to M1 Finance. They're seeing what's going on right now. So I'm buying some good dividend growth stocks, some high yield dividend stocks. I'm probably going to explain to you why I rebought TCPC and BBDC. So that's one thing. And I'm also buying Rhythm Capital. So you're seeing me, again, I'm still buying dividend growth stocks. I got Yum Brands, I got Aflac. I'm still buying dividend growth stocks. So that's still a focus. But the integration with phase one and phase two is a little bit higher with the higher yielders. And again, long term, I'm going to buy dividend growth stocks. So I really need to go into detail in 2025, and I'm going to be extremely active on my YouTube channel for 2025. And if I land an NP job, it's Monday through Friday, I really need to sit down and manage my time because I'm working 312s right now, and that's fun, but you know, eventually the income is going to change a little bit, and I have to be a little bit conservative for half a year or so, and then my revenue is going to probably top my travel nursing revenue, which will be nice, you know, in the next 3 to 4 years, and maybe get a house. Who knows? You know, we'll see what happens, but you know, I really need to be smart with my money for 2025. You know, I enjoyed myself. And if you saw on X, I went out with the family and stuff. We had our little Christmas dinner. Probably have another one. But, you know, this is the laser focus. This is the passive income journey. This is the sacrifice. This is what separates us from other people. If you're watching this channel, you know, you're seeing my dividend investing strategy, my passive income journey, and I'm showing it to you. And as you know, this is strictly for entertainment purposes only, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Can it be done? That's what I'm showing you. So I made the sacrifice. I stopped floor nursing. And the funny thing was, I waited till the last day for my tuition reimbursement contract to be over with. That way I had X amount of dollars paid for nurse practitioner school. And then I started travel nursing. And look what happened with travel nursing. It got me student loan debt free. It got me to turbocharge my dividend portfolio. One issue is, with health insurance, it's not the best. So that's one thing that is somewhat of a concern. But the laser focus with the dividend portfolio is what happens. And I can tell you, being a floor nurse, almost 40, my back's starting to feel a little bit. When I wake up, I feel a little sore. I mean, I had to use a heating pad. I don't want to be like that for the rest of my life. That's why I leveled up, okay, and went to be a nurse practitioner. But, obviously I want to kick it up a notch in my career. But this is why I'm travel nursing. I'm building this dividendo manifesto, and I'm showing you what I'm doing in my strategies. Some of you make way more money than me. And if you are smart with your money, you can do amazing things with your dividend portfolio. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I will have a video for you tomorrow explaining what dividend stocks, high yield dividend stocks I'm selling, and probably going to rebuy possibly if things look good. So you guys take care and have a good one, and go Bucks, beat Vols. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. You want to learn and get financial advice, you need to go to a financial advisor. You need to get tax advice, go to your tax advisor. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So be aware and do your due diligence. Just go see a financial advisor. There you go. You can lose money investing in the stock market, so be smart with your investments. I myself, 39, single, no kids. I lose a lot of money, with YieldMax or something. Not going to really hurt me, but you, in your situation, it might be different. So this video is a very high risk dividend investing strategy. I post many videos. I'm a hybrid investor, value investor, dividend growth investing, high yield dividend investing. Remember, dividend growth always wins. You're seeing Aflac and Yum. I like those. Those are my favorites compared to the higher yielders and even YieldMax ETFs. So take care and have a good one.